Hi, and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. The motors that drive the machinery in our workshop tend to come in one of two flavours. They're either induction motors or universal motors. They're the ones with the brushes. The motors on both my milling machine and my lathe are induction motors. They used to be single phase, but I've since converted them to three phase, driven by an inverter. This gives speed control and of course soft start at the same time. They're remarkably quiet, even when running. This is probably because three phase is a much smoother form of power. My bandsaw is also an induction motor. The motor on my router table is a universal motor, as they usually are. It's the only way to get the RPM required. Induction motors are 3000 RPM in most of the world, 3600 in America. It is, however, soft start, as they usually are. The starting torque of a router motor would be rather fierce if it wasn't. Regular viewers will know I have a DeWalt DW745 job site saw built into my workbench, and in general I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing I don't like is the noise it makes. Not much I can do about the running noise. It is after all a universal motor, and converting it to an induction motor is a bit of a problem. But the starting noise, I can do something about that. Let's listen to the before noise. Pretty abrupt. To do this, I will use this Chinese sourced soft start module, £20 from Amazon. Inside the packet you get the soft start module and a whole heap of connectors. Not forgetting a small instruction sheet, which is almost completely but not entirely useless. Fortunately, all you really need is a drawing, even if it isn't German. First job is to get it out where I can get at it, and then invert it for access. Removing the four screws that holds the switch plate in place allows the box at the back to be removed, and it's quite roomy, plenty of space for the soft start unit. A word of warning at this point: the saw came with the plug already attached and had this card, which I've never removed, and it's entirely wrong. It has the live and neutral crossed. Please ignore the card. The internal wiring is correct and as one would expect, with the red being live and the black being neutral. Yes, I know they're the old colours, but hey, it is American. The live is an inline connection. A female to go on the switch and a male to carry the current to the motor. The neutral requires a splitter. This will go on the switch, and this will take the neutral to the motor. That large box swallowed up the unit. It's almost as if it was made to take one. With it all back and screwed in place, let's see what it's like. That is a lot better. It's not exactly refined, but it is better. With £20 of anyone's money. Well, that's another small workshop project completed. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.